And we are live! Welcome to the live stream. It is new name. Let me try to adjust this a bit more. I try to make my head tiny and little so you can watch the charts. So point of you being here. Alright. Let's go. Okay, I think that looks good enough. We're live. Let me take this chat out the way too. And as always, if you have questions, please ask me. I'm here to educate you. I'm here to serve. Okay, I think I'm all good. I have my zones, blah, 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 my high time frame, blah, blah, blah. Just same things we do every single day. Okay, let's put this here. Okay. We are rejecting this 15-minute zone right now. And there's initial balance in it. Morning, Mr. Han. Let's get to it. I hope you have blown through the course and get your back test done already. I think about it. I went for a walk like 2 days ago and I was like, I know that boy is not going through the course. I hope you are. No disrespect. I just know, like, because I used to be in the same position and I know how hard it was before when I was working on my attention span and like studying, because I was terrible at academics. But after I got rid of my TV and social media and stuff, I got really good at just like reading more and being more in tune with myself and like prayer and sense of like meditation. Recently, I've noticed like how much like I put in so much work to be in the mindset I'm at now and not letting ADHD control my life. But anyways, I did not check for news. Putting me in my place, brother, I appreciate it. You're very welcome. Let's look for financial juice real quick. The news. Do we have anything going on? Oh, what's loading? I'll give it a second. That's the one thing I often forget to check news. It's a bad habit. Okay, it's loading right now. It's 10:30. Not really anything. Okay, I'll just put lines just in case. So we have news at what, 10 o'clock? It's not really that important, but I'll mark it anyways. I'm trading the 5-second time frame, so rather be safe than sorry. Okay, and then we have news at 10:30 and 11. Okay, these are more likely not gonna do anything, but I'll mark them. 10:30 and then 11. 11 o'clock. All right. Right now, I am bullish, bearish. I don't know. I'm very hesitant right now. I'm gonna wait for direction to clear up more, and then I'll decide on direction. I think we're rejecting this 15-minute zone since we have initial balance above here. I'm rewatching the NNT video because I'm just not seeing what you guys are seeing in the NQ Intraday and Backtest channel. What's because you haven't even bothered backtesting yet. Like you're not even trying. But I know you said just watch the videos to start backtesting. I'll put it together slowly. Yeah, you're self-masturbating. Like you're just running in circles doing nothing. You just need to take action. I'm telling you, just follow the video, do what the video says. If you first watch the whole course one time, then watch the course a second time taking notes. That should not take you longer than a day. The course is so short. And then you can then watch the video, copy the steps I say how to backtest, then backtest, and you'll see everything will click. You're getting nowhere because you don't know how anything. You haven't done anything. A good example is that your wife has 10 coworkers, and she talks about her coworkers. You don't know how these people look. You know nothing about these. You know nothing. You're not gonna be able to retain this information just by names. If you go to her work and meet these people and talk to them, you then remember their names because you took action. You're there. Same thing with backtesting. Your memory's not gonna remember nothing until you take action. So that's where people fail on trading. They get half-ass information. They don't finish the course fully. They're not studying. Basically what you're doing right now, just like self-masturbating, wasting your time and getting nothing done. And I need to finish this off with saying no disrespect, because I respect you. I get it, because I've been there. But I can preach all day. At the end of the day, all that matters is you need to take action. That's all it is. You're just not taking action. And you were that person I was describing when you were with options. Just like, I'm assuming you're operating with half-assed knowledge. Like you never tried to figure it out. You just like, oh, let's just gamble, and I'm I'll win or I'll lose. Like it didn't matter to you. And you're just doing the same habits in this with this quote unquote program that I have. You just need to change your mindset, your attitude, and maybe even your environment. Anyways, to sum it all up, because I know I'll stop preaching. But the thing that helped me the most was just sleeping early, waking up early. That changed my entire life. Nice. Thank you for telling me that. Okay, now let's dissect these charts. That's funny. I don't think we're going to continue going up, but the 15-minute candles do have a lot of strength. So I'm going to wait just a second and see what happens here. And if we do break this zone and keep pushing up, I will then confirm bullish and look for bullish plays. Bullish just means gambling to the upside. Okay. Let me mark out some 5-second zones that I know will more than likely hold us, but I'm not going to take them, so I'm going to color them a different color. I only want to take A+ setups. Okay. Make this red. I don't know if you've seen the journal yet, Han, with my submissions on my journals on the mentorship chat, where you can see like my notes and stuff. You might not be able to see the charts now, but you can still see the mistakes I'm making. It's just a good reminder that we're all human. Like you're gonna make mistakes your entire journey. Another good example is like you never technically fully understand faith. Like you're just always on this journey. It's the same thing with trading. There's no difference. You're just constantly improving, and then the more time you spend in it, the better you'll get. So it seems confusing now, but I promise you, as soon as you submit that 1 or 2 or 3 back test, everything's going to click immediately. I like this play. I won't lie. I kind of want to take it, but we still haven't confirmed bullish or bearish, so I'm going to wait. We're rejecting the initial balance, the line above. Amen. Heart, numerical sign, number sign, hashtag. Yeah, I'm not going to take this play. I'm going to wait on it. Because we're kind of just floating in between this 15-minute zone. And let's see here. Since I have you here, let's see if I can show you something. No, it's not what I want to look at. I think it's this one. Candlesticks. Yeah. So let's make this a line on close. Yeah. So if you have your trading view set up already, you can change, and I show you how to do it on the course. You can change your candlesticks to lines, and if you've been drawing and taking notes on the pattern and drawing the pattern, you'll clearly be able to see the pattern through the lines. Boom, boom, boom. But I also talk about I have a video too that's on my YouTube channel that's pretty good, but also the course answers everything. I might have a video like what is day trading and the strategy. So like they're just like 2 like quick rundowns. I made those videos purposely for people who don't know trading, so they're pretty easy to understand. Okay, I really want to take this play, but there's no, let me see, is there a tap on it? There is a tap on it. Ah! I'm gonna go crazy. I'm fighting with myself right now. If I take this play, that means that I'm confident we're bullish, but I'm just not confident we're bullish. Because we're in a 15-minute zone right now. Space Doggo! Some time with your strategy. Oh, nice! That's awesome! I didn't want to mention it, but like imagine how good you do in the mentorship. That's so awesome. Peter! I love seeing you. Hi, Peter. I've been trading London. As you can see, I put in the mentorship chat, or like the journal. I don't know if you've been looking at them or not. But I'm going to keep posting them like every time I take a play now. I would like wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning and then come trade, and then I didn't like last second. I'm like, I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade. But then this week, I was like, I'm gonna go back to trading because I've taken like more than enough or a long enough break. So it's been like 2 months or 3 months. But I'm like refreshed and ready. I really want this play. I might just take it. I might just be impulsive here. It has all my requirements. I just do not like how we're in the middle of a 15-minute zone. But it's tapping perfectly too. Oh, I'm gonna go crazy. I want this. I'm gonna be an adult here. I'm gonna pass on it, as much as I really want to take it. Because my reason for passing on it is because we have initial balance above. We're in a 15-minute zone, so I cannot confirm bullish. We've also been on a long uptrend for a while, and by a while, what, like an hour and 20 minutes? So I don't know if it's going to continue or not. Let me see if I can look at 15-minute. We've been grinding up since yesterday. Ah, man, I really want it to. We'll just wait because we'll find a better opportunity. And no trade is better than a trade. 40% just got filled on it. Oh, 50% got filled. Oh, this looks bad. If we do respect this, I still really want more strength and power coming out of it to confirm bullish, because I'm still not sold on being bullish. Okay, so the strategy worked out perfectly. It filled 50%, hit take profit. Let's see if it keeps going up. I love this play because it has a lot of requirements. I don't like it because of resistance we have. The 15-minute zone, initial balance. Initial balance is the first hour high and low of any market open. For London, I use 2 to 3 Central Time high and low. And for New York, I use 8:30 to 9:30 Central Time high and low. I used to not get how you draw zones based on tasks, but after testing, I suddenly started seeing it without even. Yep, yes sir. The same zones. I'm just gonna give you the secret sauce. The same zones that you now understand that you're creating, create those same zones on the 15-minute time frame with less requirements. I use the 1 minute to help me also with direction, or like a candle closure over a zone on the 1 minute. I don't make 1 minute zones though. So I'm doing the same pattern, using the 15-minute and the 5 seconds to help me determine direction very accurately. And then I only use 1 minute candles for that last confirmation if I need it. So like you can clearly see the 1 minute's telling me bullish, bullish, bullish. The candles are all going up. But the 15-minute, the higher time frame is telling me no, we are bearish. The 5 second is telling me no, we are bearish. So I have bearish confluences. I'm going to wait. I took a trade during London. I took an L on it. And then I took like a second trade, and I took 2 more trades after that I didn't submit. I'll do it after the session, obviously. But I like my first play was an A+. My second play was A+, but then I had a loss. And then the third play was A+, and it hit my TP, but it didn't go. I was trying to go for NNT plus and didn't get my NNT plus. I wish there was more to do than watching paint dry. I'm glad that the examples I explained right now were easy to understand, because you can always just rewind the video. The purple lines too that I have on the 15-minute time frame up here is just news. The news isn't that I have marked out isn't super important, but I'm on the 5-second time frame, so just to be worry. I'm gonna get rid of these lines. I don't need them anymore. Let's see if the zone holds. I don't think it's going to, but we'll see. We have another bullish zone under this zone. Let's see what we do. I see a bearish play that I like, that is forming right now, that I really like a lot. It's this play right here. If it fills out, I'll take it, because it's exactly where I want it to be. I'm pretty bearish. I'm not bullish right now. And for it to fill out, it needs to tap, and it needs to come down, reach standard deviation, and then enter. But yeah, see, like, it's not filling out for me, so I wouldn't take it. I'll leave it open just in case it holds, so. Okay. I see another play, but it's a first flip. I won't take it, but I'll show you. It's right here. I don't take first flips. It might deliver though. It looks really good. It looks really good. So I'm bearish. This zone that I made is holding. You've heard me talk about it. The play always happens all the time. It just happens in the wrong ways. So like right here, we still get the tap, the pullback, even the 50%, but like we won't get the standard deviation. Or like we're always missing something. So an A+ setup has all the requirements. And you want to only take A+ setups, because if you take anything else, you're basically trading a different strategy. And if you just stick with one model, and you can gain the patience to just follow only that one model. So don't be trying to take any A- or B+ setups. I also noticed too, like when I take an A- setup or B+ setup, the mentees will follow me and do the same thing. So like I need to make sure I'm sticking to A+. So I did like the zone a lot, but as you can see, it filled out already. Let's see if it reached 50%, because it more likely did. Yep, it reached 50%. It already got mitigated. But I was able to call it out and know this was going to hold, just because I can see the NNT pattern forming. It's already mitigated now, so we might bust through, but we're going to see. We're going to wait. If we have another bearish zone get formed in this area down here, I'll take it. We have about 3 more minutes until this 15-minute candle closes. We'll get a move in these 3 minutes to help us determine where we're going. The market only does 2 things. We go up really fast or down really fast, and the second thing is that we go sideways. We chop. So accumulation and just distribution. So we already had our distribution, so we might accumulate right now. You can see on the top right, the 15-minute candles, we did nothing but push up. So we might just chop, but I think we're gonna come down. I'm pretty confident we are. The same things always happen all the time. I'm never creating anything new or saying anything new. It's the same things every single time. So I show up, it's always the same things. I wish I can draw on NinjaTrader, but I can't. On TradingView I can. Or you know what, I can like screenshot and draw. I didn't think about that. Yeah, I can like screenshot and draw. What color is this? Red? Oh, my PC is on black and white right now, so I don't know what color. I have my phone black and white also. Man, I wish this play worked out. But it would have been really good. Nothing. What do I see here? Nothing. That candle's about to get almost, yeah, that candle's almost done forming. And then we have the light news right here. Let's hope for the best. I hope y'all are good. Patience, perseverance. There's a gentleman in here. His name's Peter. He got funded. He did his back test, submitted his back test. After all that work he put in, he quickly understood the strategy. He got to trading. He knew what he was doing wrong. He controlled his emotions, and then he got funded. After funding, a new set of emotions come in that you like. It's just brand new. It's like if you're driving a car for the first time. And he folded under pressure and lost his funded account. And it was only due to him, I believe it was over leveraging, or like overtaking trades, more trades than he's supposed to. It was just proof, and I'm glad it happened this early to him to show you that it's so easy to make money in this game, but it's so hard to keep it. And all that it takes is just managing your emotions. But what I love about this is that like you're not gonna, like I love the humility in it. Like we're still human. You're not gonna be perfect all the time, but just keep going and keep going. Yeah. You're next, Han. You got to get to it. You can see Peter's journal in that mentorship chat too. Just don't talk in it, but you can see like everything in his, like every trade he submitted. But I would just wait until you submit your back test so you know what you're looking at, obviously. Nice. Okay, so like I said, we're waiting for that 15-minute candle to close. It just closed like what, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. And as you can see on the top right, we haven't fully dropped down bearish yet. We're still pushing up. I'm gonna give it a minute. Sometimes it takes 2 to 3 candles before we keep going up. So this could just be like a healthy pullback. But I don't think we're gonna, as much as I want to say that we're bearish, we're gonna pull back, I'm not very convinced now. We still have so much strength. We haven't fallen all the way from this 50%. And if you've seen before, these 15-minute zones typically deliver right away. We don't really chop in them. But we are chopping in this one. It kind of gives me an indication that we're going to leave. We're not going to come down. We're going to go up. Oh, look. And this 15-minute zone's already been mitigated. See, I didn't even check that. So we can't even, yeah, it's already been mitigated. So more likely is going to go up. If I would have saw, see, this is what I get for not paying attention. If I would have saw this, or looked at this more, I would have taken the play that I passed on. Nah, it is what it is. Okay, let's move this. Okay. Let's see if we break this high up here. Well, these are early starts, which means I need to get going sooner. Probably gonna take. So I'll get ready. Yes, sir. Do what you gotta do. I also these live streams get posted on YouTube, so you can always rewatch them too. See, I kind of wanted to take this, but I saw the strength leaving the zone above, so I decided not to. But I should have. Just keep waiting. The difference between London and New York, London, you wait for plays, they slowly get formed. New York, I feel like you don't have much time to decide. Like it's either yes or no. But London, I'm like, yes, no, yes, no, and it takes its time. But New York, everything's like flying around. Just forward tested this zone. Oh, nice. How sweet is that? Did it reach 50 or it only touched 40? I didn't see. It only touched 40. Oh, even if I did try to take this, I wouldn't have been filled. But I think you're on MNQ. Yeah, there's so much waiting time on London. Gosh, it's gruesome. I like started a movie while trading London. Just makes it so much easier. But I like forgot how for me London is 3 a.m. and I forgot like how good it is for me to wake up early because I stopped doing it a long time ago. I'm getting up earlier now and I've been pretty consistent. Like my day's just a lot better though. Cause like but I have to sleep early, which kind of sucks. But it's bittersweet, bittersweet. Okay, the zone above is clearly holding. I'm not gonna take it. I don't mind taking first flips, unless like it's really really good. But this one, it's so thin and small. We're tapping it too much, so I'm obviously not gonna take it. It's too risky. But in these situations like we're in right now, you'll sometimes see, we might catch one right now, we'll break out and then a zone will get formed in this area like a bullish play, and I'll take that bullish play, and vice versa. So like we break down here, a bearish play will get formed and I'll take that bearish play. But the pattern always happens, it just happens in the wrong ways. So if the play isn't A plus, I won't take it. If it's like a sloppy one, I won't take it. I used to do that. I just gotta stop doing that though, because I need to be the example of only A plus. Oh no. Oops, I didn't mean to move that. There you go. Ooh. Yeah, we're just chopping right now. I was thinking of doing like a Bible study after live trading on Mondays, and like just for free. I'm not sure yet. Like just to do more. I'm working on my content right now to get backlog, so like I have a month ahead. So maybe like after I finish that, I'm gonna attempt to be posting 3 to 2 videos a week. It's just so much work, but I'm getting back in the groove of things and like getting back and just like working in general. I know everybody talks about like retirement and like not working, but like I don't know what to do with life when I'm not busy with something or creating something. And I love teaching, so like this is just a blessing. Okay, I have confluences now that we are pretty bullish, and if we break the zone above, I'm gonna want to take a bullish play. I'm gonna be patient. Let me see if there's a 15-minute zone above this 15-minute zone. I don't think there was though. Yeah, there wasn't. It's just this. Nice, yeah, okay. We're not about to reach all-time highs again, are we? Oh. Nice. Okay. Hello to the newcomers. If you got questions, please ask. If you have no idea what you're looking at, we're just looking for my NNT pattern. I'll show you right here. This is what we're looking for. Bum bum. It goes like this. Oh wait. How do you go about multiple zones in the same direction? I personally don't take a zone if it taps into a previous valid zone. It saves me a lot, but I have all these answers in my course, or like my mentorship, or my course comes with a mentorship. I'll try to like answer briefly. So like if a zone, I don't take zones on top of other zones. Like this example, ignore the candlesticks. But like if a zone's like this, I won't take this zone right here because price will treat this other zone like a magnet. If a zone's already filled, like mitigated, then I won't take that zone. So like I might leave it open, but I won't have much influence on it being held. So like this play right now, it's not mitigated just yet, but it's about to be mitigated. Yeah, so now it's mitigated. So I can leave it open, yes, but I typically just remove it. But I'm gonna hold it open right now to see how we respect what we do. But it's just how I maintain not having a bunch of zones. If it's like mitigated, I move on. And I just don't take a zone. Oh, okay. So I think you're saying something about like if this mitigates and comes back up, you won't take the counter trend. I just use everything to help me determine direction. So like whatever my full analysis is, it doesn't really matter what happens right here. Like my full analysis is bullish right now. So like I'm gonna like only look for bullish plays, and then if I have like a full analysis on bearish, I won't look for bearish plays. If I don't know direction, I won't do either. I'll just wait. So like right now I'm pretty bullish. I want this zone to break and then look for a play in this area. That's my plan right now. If we reject this zone and come down and then break this zone, then I'm gonna look for bearish plays to the downside. Cause I'm mostly bullish right now, but if anything can happen, and if we just come down and break down, I'm ready for it because we are in that 15-minute zone. But I'm bullish because the 15-minute zone has been mitigated already. I hope you're following me. I'm not making things too complicated. I'm just saying the same things in circles. I hope you understand. Han, Bible study is a cool idea. Yes and no, but I do want to do it. I'm just like afraid of like being looked at as a leader, and my faith is so new with Bible study. So like I would want to like really emphasize on it being a group thing. Recently I've been before. Word is so refreshing, so reassuring. That's awesome. Yeah, whatever like higher power, just something to like keep pushing and moving forward in is so healthy. And like being around other people who are just doing the same. That's what I love about like traders or trading people. The ones who do succeed are typically the ones who are like very real, like they know what it takes, like they show up. Like the hardcore soft people. How's the saying go? Like a warrior in a garden. That's basically how traders are. But I don't know how. You know what I'm trying to say? It's just being tough and loving. So we still look very bearish here. Oh, I see a play actually. Oh, I do see a play. Let's see if it forms though. Nah. Let's see if this holds. It might just hold. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna form how I want it to. Because it still needs to break this area for me to be interested in a bullish play under it. Oh, I made it. Sorry, let me bring it up. Okay. Nice. Yeah, nice. I'm seeing everything I want to see. That 1 minute looks really good too. Nice. Just like I'm using the 15 minutes candles to close to help determine direct. Nice. Yeah, I'm getting everything I want. Nice. Uh, just like how I wait for this 15-minute candles to close before I determine direction. If you look at the 1 minute candles, a few seconds before they close, you can use that information to help you gauge the 5-second direction. So this example right now, like we got all the strength on the 1 minute. I was looking at it in the last few seconds. I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure these last few seconds I'm going to push up and keep going up to continue bullish, and it did that just exactly. Like right now we have 4 more seconds on the 1 minute. We might get another push right now. I kind of want to take this. We haven't had a body close over this zone yet. So what I typically want is a 1 minute body close over this. And I haven't just got that quite yet. And more likely it's gonna come down in here. I want to put this here. I don't think I'm gonna take it, but I'll mark it out to see if it gets mitigated. Just gonna be patient. I typically do very well also because I'm so selective, so selective, and I trade for only an hour a day. It's like I'm not constantly behind the charts for hours on end, and I trade only when volatility is stable, when it's not too fast or too much. Okay, it's trying to get that 1 minute body candle close over. Just gonna wait till that 1 minute gets formed. It's 30 seconds on it. I see another play that I really like a lot, that I want to take. I'm more likely gonna take it too. Let's work it out. You make it bigger. Yeah, I'm more likely gonna take this. So let's see where standard deviation is at. Done. So my 50% there. Okay. I think I found my play. And everything looks good. Yes. So even if we come back down. Okay. Yeah, I like this. I'm taking it. So let's do 3 NQ contracts. Buy limit. Oh wait, I think it's supposed to be 4. Yeah, it's supposed to be 4. Okay. There it goes. That's if we come back. Jeez. All right. There's a lot of strength in there. Yeah, that's if we come back. I hope it comes back for us. That'd be nice. Come on, brother. Come on. I know you want to. Where's okay, retrace the 50% already. There's a strategy I rarely ever use. It's called the Golden Bullet by Diogenes. He just puts a fib from like a bottom candle to the up candle, and then he gets in at 50% and then takes profit like on to catch trends. I don't recommend it because you're just gambling. But it can help you determine if we're going to continue going up or if we're coming down or not. It's like it broke 50%, so I'm not worried about it. But it chopped it for a bit. So I'm still interested. Come on. I know you want to. Come on, I know you want to. Don't leave without me. Don't leave without me. My TP, if we do come down, 3 of them are going to be on my 1-to-1, and I'm going to have 1 contract up here. Come on, little guy. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Everything looks good so far. Oh, this play that I'm taking right now is a play that I was talking about earlier. How we break through the zone above, and then we get a pullback, and I find a zone in that pullback. This is what I'm doing. It meets all my requirements. I like what it's doing right now. I just hope it doesn't take off without me, which it more than likely will. Come on. It's leaving without me. It doesn't want me. It don't like me. I see another play here. But standard deviation is pretty far. It's if we reach it. Let me say. See how far we are. Oops. Okay. Yeah, it's not reached at all. Okay. Good indication so far. I like what I'm seeing. I don't think this zone's gonna hold at all. Okay. Oh, it did hold. Oh, wow. It's like 1 tick away. Come on, brothers. Sail. Just patiently waiting. Ugh. Yeah. Now we just wait. I hate when this happens. Everything just runs away from me. If you master the strategy, you can cut your prop eval trades down and use more size. You can pass quickly. But if you don't understand the strategy and you're not taking A plus setups, that's not achievable. I might take my order off. I don't like how we're floating above. We're just playing games now. If this would have broke, I would have been interested in it, but it didn't. It's still holding. So like I don't know if there's still gonna be more orders here in the middle. But it is mitigated. I'm gonna leave it open just in case. Oh shoot. That's scary. If we drop down with strength and then like we have a good tap, I'll consider taking this. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take it. Would I have been filled? Yeah, I would have got filled right here. You know what? Since this is happening, I might take this one down here. Ooh. Yeah, let's see if I can catch this play. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was supposed to be tapped out there. Ooh. Let me close it. I was hoping that the steam would stop. I would catch it here, but I just closed it. Technically, I didn't have time to move my stop. I'll take that as my L. Let me see. Let me move this. Oof, this is so bad. Okay. I need to take a picture of this real quick. I like this play because we ran through 2 zones already. And the steam typically takes a break, but it didn't. Oh well. Okay, let me paste that into here real quick. I'll move this up the way. Okay. Oh wait. I'll keep going to 11 if I find anything. I'm not fully confident we're bearish just yet, because we had all this chop and then our big move. So let's just wait. I see something too I want to mark out. Not a play to take, but just see if it holds. Let's move this here. I need to journal this. Where did I have it at? Like right here, I think. Now we wait. We have 32 minutes on the session left. We're in a bearish zone right now. That's the one I created. But it hasn't probably. Oh, it just got filled out right now. I was about to say it hasn't probably been filled out yet, but it just did. If it continues going down, I'll take a bearish play with it. But if it's still chopping, then I won't take anything at all. I keep forgetting too that I can paper trade New York. Like I don't have to be on my live accounts during New York. Damn, this sucks. We're just barcoding now. I have, oh look, I can show the strategy since we're doing nothing. I'll put it right here. Yeah, you can see it too, awesome. So this is the zone. Ignore the squares. I'll do a bullish and bearish. Okay. So this is white. Oh, let me do this first. We look for swing highs and swing lows. Swing high, swing high, swing high, swing low, swing low. Cool. We then want to create a zone with that sweep that happened over here. So the sweep, swing high, we get that swing low, so create that zone. Then we want to tap on the zone, and after the tap, we want the swing low to get passed. So we'll also call it a break of structure. Structure gets broken, and then we would enter at 50%. So take profit on this line, and our stop loss won't take above. I can show bullish also. Here's a swing lows and swing high we grab. The sweep happened right here. So we create our zone. Then we look for that tap. Tap happened there. Where did the break of structure happen? If you're not sure, it's right here. That swing high gets taken. Price comes, reach 100% away of the zone. Then we would enter at 50%, take profit, and our stop loss. And then like if a negative setup or B plus setup would just be any of those requirements missing. So like if there's no sweep, or if there's missing a tap or missing standard deviation. Ooh, okay. Or counter trend, that's one of the things I often forget about. Basically what I just took right now. Took a counter trend play. Took a counter play. Sorry, I'm no taking on the play I just took. Counter trend. Impulsively put my foot of a moving train. Waited. Nice. Okay. That was quick. I just journaled it real fast. I basically wrote, I should have waited for confirmation that the train was going to stop, then assuming that the train was going to stop because strength coming in. I was like, oh, we already went through 2 zones. The third one will be fine. But like that's just like pride or ego or whatever it is. Journal it, reflect on it, and we move on. Okay, so let me get rid of this here. We don't need that. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. The one from earlier that caught my interest is still holding. Let me see. No play is better than a play. Or no trade is better than a trade. Yeah. 25 more minutes. Just gonna sit here patiently. Okay. We'll sit patiently. If you're watching this live, nothing's going on. We're just waiting. All right. I just took my mic off for a second because I was on the phone with Apple support. My Apple Cache has had issues for a few months, and I just never bothered to fix it. But I'm trying to fix it today. But we're doing nothing. Nothing's happening. We're just moving sideways. quick recap, nothing is happening at all. We're just moving sideways, chopping. In these situations, I just watch a movie. And if I'm not watching a movie, like I'll watch a show or I'll work on like my brand stuff. Because like there's nothing to do when we're moving sideways like this. Unless you're already in a play. But we want it to break one direction up or down, then we'll catch a play in that direction. But typically, like if we already had the move happen this early, sorry for that 9-minute phone call. Um, so when we have chop happen around this time, it typically keeps going all the way until the end of the session. Let's move this out the way. Hoping for the best. The market does two things: we chop or distribution, accumulation or distribution. And as you can see on the top left of the 1 minute, we were chopping. Then we had our big move, and we're right back to chopping again. So hopefully we get a big move before 11 o'clock hits, which is in 13 minutes, but I doubt it. And I say the same things I'm saying right now every single time I live trade, every single time I trade. It just happens again and again and again. I see a play here. Proper sweep? Yeah, sweep's proper. Taps, yep. Break of structure, yep. Standard deviation. Not sure yet. Find out right now. Find out right now. Standard deviation, yep. Okay, everything's checked. I put my order here. I'll have to rip it off last second if I don't like something. Oh crap, I didn't realize how small this zone was. Okay. Let's do like this. There we go. Okay. Okay. Can I put it on the... I can't. That's whatever. I'm taking this play expecting us not to, or expecting to break initial balance, because we broke it already. Look, everything looks good so far. Yeah, I like it so far. It hasn't reached 40% just yet. I don't like the strength coming into this though. A little too heavy. Taps after standard deviation. We're at like 2 right now. If we get to 3, I take it off. The standard deviation is just 100% away. Come on, come feel me. Stop playing games with me. Maybe, maybe not. So if this high right here, hold on, let me see. Yeah, okay, if this high gets broken and we get another tap, take my order off. Oof, let me move my TP and stop. I hate when it goes too fast. Okay. And then this one. Oh, I don't like how much strength is leaving that. Nice. Yippee. Okay, so I leave one runner to go for the highest eternal swing. And if it hits my stop, I'd still come out green because I had 3 contracts hit TP already. Yeah, we still come out green. So let me document it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let me slot that in the journal. Hit my requirements. Didn't like this strength coming in. Oh well. My requirements still came out green. Nice. I wouldn't take another play now. I've already taken 2, and 2 is more than enough. Oh, this is a good play. I want to bet a lot. I'm not going to take it because it's not A+, but I want to bet you a lot that this play is going to work out. Like I would full port right here. Trades in these areas, like a second swing or third swing, are very, very strong. And if they get formed like perfectly like this, strength leaving, the perfect tap, standard deviation immediately, these are so good. But it didn't have a proper sweep, so I'm not going to take it. And it more likely will fill out too. I want it to fill out so you can just see. And these situations, like this zone right here, is a zone where we are switching trends. It's like you're just catching the beginning of a trend. But alright, that's it. We only have 7 minutes. I'm not going to take another play in 7 minutes. If y'all have any questions, no matter how vulnerable, how weird, or how, even if you think it's stupid, I'd love to answer. You can always comment if you're watching. The Discord is the best way to reach me. The free chat is pretty good because I like talking to people on there. So if you chat with me, I'll chat with you. And I think that's it. I have a lot of things in the description. But okay, I think I'm going to hop off now. IoT2YL. Thanks for joining me. To recap the first trade, if you saw it, I impulsively hopped in a play in the way of a moving train. My pride and ego told me that the candles were going to stop and I was going to get filled, but it did not stop. It did wick me out and go my direction I wanted it to. But that's what I get for just not waiting for confirmation. And then my second play worked out pretty well, reached all my requirements. And that's it, yeah. Nothing too crazy. Alrighty. I'm gonna hop off now. Thank y'all so much for joining me. And y'all take care. Stay consistent and stay patient.